combines a desolate setting and mysterious events to create an atmosphere of terror in Gothic novels. For what historical event did Gothic serve as a metaphor? The French Revolution. How does the use of Gothic architecture assist for Gothic novelists? It engenders confusion for both the novel protagonist and readers. Which of the following terms is most closely related to phrase the explained supernatural, the uncanny? How did the term Gothic become associated with the literary phenomenon known as the Gothic novel? The use of the word in subtitle of Walpole's novel. In what century and in what literary era was the first Gothic novel written? 18th century Enlightenment. Which psychological issue is not typical of Gothic novel? Daydreams. The Gothic novel was intended to have which of the following effects on the reader? To create a sense of misery, mystery, gloom, and suspense. How did the term Gothic become associated with the literary phenomenon known as the Gothic novel? The use of the word is subtitle Gothic novel. What quality does the Gothic novel of the 18th early 19th century shares with the majority of English novel the same time period? A focus on individual. In Gothic novel, the conflict is often person versus supernatural. What were the prominent feature of Gothic novel? Terror, mystery, the supernatural, ghosts, and a haunted house. Gothic architecture, castles, darkness, death, decay, madness, secrets, and hereditary cases. The English Gothic novel began at the time of the which novelist Horace Walpole. In what century did Gothic literature begin? 18th. Which among the following is not a Gothic novel? The Sorrow of Young Werther. Northanger Abbey is a parody of the Gothic romance. Who was the first Gothic novelist to make use of drama? Miss Clara Reeve. Mary Shelley's Gothic novel Frankenstein is dedicated to William Godwin. The type of fiction whose setting is in the medieval period, often a gloomy castle, repeat the Digeon's subterranean passage and use of ghosts and mystery is called Gothic novel. Identify from the following which is not a Gothic novel. The Ghost Map. Trend of Gothic novel became popular in which century? Second half of 18th century.